What's up guys, Artil Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the stansport camping axe. Let's begin. Camping axe? Okay, pretty weird, but it's okay, the sheath itself, and yes, this is actually how you close the sheath too. So, made of Condora with some stitching around it. 4 buttons on there. And of course a belt loop for the thing itself. So, with the little pouch for the ferro rod. And this is how, with the little padding in there. So, that's not bad. So, this is how you close the thing. You take the top piece and put it, apply it there, and there you go. That's how you close the sheath. Then we got the ferro rod, which again, this is, let me just see. This is kind of, oh wait, that's, nope, it's a ferro rod. Yeah, it's not really kind of, yeah, it's, but again, this one you can use the ferro rod. I tried it. I think it's not. I think that I'm just doing is just rubbing off the coating for the thing. That's kind of the thing. Yeah, I think I'm just rubbing off the coating. Here's the gut hook for it. Here's hexagons for to use that as a tool, which again, that's really weird. This, I think so, but I really doubt so because the blade itself, it's like, oh, that kind of deal. Of course you got the stansport and its logo right here, rights. That's, and there's nothing. I think my best bet, this is a stainless steel, kind of thing. It is a full tang with a pair of orange paracord wrapped around it. And it's kind of a weird thing about it here. So let's get started with the size on the axe itself. So the axe is around about a 4-inch, while the head is around about of like 3.5 inches. The handle, let's see, we'll get the handle to it. So around about of like almost of like 9.5 inches. And yeah, that's, or no, that's the overall size. But the handle itself is around about like 8.5 inches. But the entire overall size is a 9.5 inch. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is for the results on this one actually did pretty good. A clean cut here. This one also did the same thing. Clean cut here. Well, just a little rough on that side. And even like a cut right there. That's a little insane. But again, that's a pretty good cut there. Let's see, this one right here. That one didn't, it did cut through here, which is weird. But for this one, it didn't, like, cut through the whole bottle at all. And there's one little piece inside there, too. And for this one, for striking the thing itself, that one actually did cut through, but the problem is it's the size of it. So it's left off with this. So I'm giving the stansport an astounding of a 7 out of 10. It's a pretty good piece to have. It's not it may look cheap at all, but this one did pretty good. So that wraps up the stansport camping axe. I'm Toolboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.